This is the book of St. John, chapter 17, verse 17. Sanctify them through thy truth. Thy word is truth. Call Layim La, Abanawa Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai Bahashim Rakak Kwadash. Double honor to the elder apostles and elder bishops of Great Millstone and Ruwell. Salutations to the Akim out there on the highways and the byways. Salutations to the hopeful elect. Salutations to you speckled birds, you Israelite foreigners. And shalom to the Akwaf, sitting and listening in silence as the scriptures say to do so. St. John chapter 17, verse 17. Sanctify them through thy truth. Thy word is thy truth. And this word is supposed to transform and renew us every day, man. We're supposed to be applying these precepts, these scriptures, okay, these highly spiritual spoken words from Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai to continue to examine ourselves, to walk uprightly, to do what's pleasing and acceptable in the eyes of Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai, and also to detox, to detox from the world, from what we were taught, the customs, the philosophies, the type of spirit that this world has placed upon us. We're supposed to disconnect and detox from all these things that have been indoctrinated in us, man. And the Passover is a time to do that, to get that leaven off of your spirit, your mentality, and physical, to really take your health seriously, to detox from that, to improve your vessel, because we know that everything here, again, is death. The food is death. Okay, the air that we breathe is death. The water that we bathe in is death. So, we have to connect with Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai more when we detox from all these things, man, and also from, Abanawa Ratazah being protected from these things. And we have to mentally disconnect from the things of the world, man, and connect and reconnect to Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai by, again, sanctify them through thy truth. So this truth should be sanctifying you. And just, the Passover and also the Feast of Unleavened Bread should not be the only time that you should be considering these matters, man. Okay, and again, spiritually disconnecting from things that are not going to benefit and be profitable to you. Okay, so these are things that we should be doing every single day in life in general, because this truth is our life. This is our heritage. This is our calling. This is we're part of the, Lord willing, of the awakening that is occurring upon the earth at Ezekiel 37. Okay, this is Psalms 119, verse 9. Wherewithal shall a young man cleanse his way? By taking heed according to thy word. So, we have denounced and rejected that do as thou wilt free will spirit, because there is no such thing. We understand that Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai directs the paths of man. That Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai knows our hearts, and also that Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai seals and gives us our instructions while we're resting for the next day, Abanawa Ratazah. So the Lord has given us the instruction booklet on how to cleanse our ways, how to detox and purify ourselves on a daily basis. Okay, why do you think Yahweh Shai said, I am from above and they are from beneath? Okay, so we're attempting to improve and progress forward to be in that heavenly manner. To be one with Yahweh Yahweh Shai, also in this prison, this corruptible, weak flesh. Psalms 119, verse 9. Wherewithal shall a young man cleanse his way? By taking heed thereto according to thy word, man. So again, we have the format, the formula to detox and to apply what is going to be profitable, what is going to make us and help us succeed. Again, not only in life, because this truth is our life. You know, the truth, the ministry, Lord willing, hoping to have favor, protection, guidance, to continue to be watered, to grow, to increase, to progress, to move forward, man. To, Abanawaratazah, have a seat next to the Most High's heart, man. You know, like as it says, as he said, David, a man after my own heart. We need to have that same mentality, man. And again, as it also states, let's grab this. Romans 15, verse 4. For whatsoever things were written aforetime were written for our learning. So again, we have the formula, we have the instruction booklet, we have everything that we need to detox from things that's going to hold us down. Again, that's not going to benefit or profit us in this truth in life in general. And we have the correct way through our history and also examples, the elder apostles, elder bishops on down, on how to conduct ourselves, how to go about things, because they have went through these things, man. We can't be hard-headed like these other Israelites out here, thinking that we know more than what we know. And again, when Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai has pure experience, pure examples of that experience in front of us, man. So don't take, the Passover and the Feast of Unleavened Bread, Salakia, just as a time to examine yourself, just as a time to detox from, the leaven of the world and the leaven, that is applied to your spirit, and what you need to do to be better. Don't let this be the only time when you actually do these things. You should be doing this all year round, detoxing. Okay, getting that leaven off of your spirit, off of your mentality, and again, off of your physical vessel. Because again, we know that the food is defiled, and that's why we have to attempt to the best of our ability and to our earnings to get the highest grade of garbage. Because that's all this food is fucking garbage. So, let me read this again. Romans 15, verse 4. For whatsoever things were written aforetime were written for our learning, that we through patience and comfort of the scriptures might have hope. And that patience goes into suffering. And, with us having hope, that means we have faith. And with us having faith, that means we have belief. We believe. And if we have hope, faith, belief, that means we trust. That means also we apply what we recite, what we read. Okay, and we don't be hypocritical because we practice what we preach. And with all those things, the one thing that we must have and we must continue to elevate in is the fear of Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai. And it's always going to start with a detox. We have to detox continuously, not just on the Passover, not just of the Feast of Unleavened Bread. It has to be an everyday thing. So with that detox, what does it go into? Examination. Okay, we have to examine ourselves daily, man, to know where we fall short, where our weaknesses is, and where our strengths are at, so we can work to improve. So that detox is very important, man. And a lot of people probably going to listen to this lesson and disregard it, because a lot of you simple ass Israelites, you're in this stuff for entertainment. You're in this to see the nigger woman get cussed out, to see Jake get embarrassed. This type of lesson right here is going to be boring to you. You're not going to see the value in this lesson that's actually going to help you through the power and spirit and words of Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai to prosper, elevate, and have favor, to improve yourself, to apply what's beneficial, to examine yourself, everything that you should be doing daily, man. Okay, to please the Lord, man. And again, amongst other things, man, to not be a fucking hypocrite, to practice what you preach. And again, I say all this to myself before I say it to anybody else. Okay? Well, let's continue. Let me grab two more and then I'll probably close out. You know, I don't feel right not doing no lesson. And we had the Passover last night, so I got out late. Couldn't do one. Went straight to the venue to meet the beloved Akim to partake. So didn't have a chance to do a lesson last night. So Yahweh Shimi Hawashai just smacked me in the face with this subject. So First Maccabees chapter 12, verse 9. Therefore we also, albeit we need none of these things, so we don't need none of these things in the world to elevate, prosper, to feel like we're somebody, to feel like we're a part of society. Fuck this world. Everything in this world is wicked, evil, perverse, again, corruptible, okay? Not beneficial, not profitable, not valuable, okay? Everything. Continuing on, that we have the holy books of Scripture in our hands to comfort us. And that's, the main thing. Again, we have the manuscript. We have the formula. We have the instructions. We have the protection, the guidance, the answers in our holy book of Scriptures, man. We don't need a plan B, a plan C, a plan D, etc. All we need is Yahweh, Bahashim Yahawashi, Yahweh, Why Yahawashi, to move forward. But again, as the lesson is stated, detox. Okay, and also as it says in Ephesians, we have to be renewed in our mind, spirit, everything. We have to put on that new man and cast off the old. And in order for you to do that, you have to what? Detox. You have to examine yourself. Okay? And that's something that we should be doing daily. Not just on the Day of Atonement, not just on the Passover, the Feast of Unleavened Bread. No, daily. Okay? You have to be changed, transformed, renewed daily. Okay? And just like your vessel, when something is wrong with your body, there's a way that your body tells you that something is off. Okay? And just like the lessons, that Yahweh Ba'ashim Yahawashi implants and orchestrates in the brothers, you got to take heed to these things. Okay? The beloved Ra'ash Managan always states, man, when you look at something, look at it spiritually. Don't look at things carnally. Look at it spiritually, man. You got to, sit back and listen to the message that Yahweh Ba'ashim Yahawashi is directing towards you. Okay? Because again, we have these holy scriptures to guide us, to comfort us. Okay? We have our history to make sure we don't do where we came short in the old days. So 2 Corinthians 13, verse 5. We'll close out here. Examine yourselves, whether ye be in the faith. Prove your own selves. Know not your own selves, how that Yahawashi HaMashiach is in you, except ye be reprobates. Okay? And only a reprobate would think everything is sweet. Only a reprobate would think that nothing is wrong with him, that he or she does not have to improve or examine themselves or do better. Only a reprobate would have a proud-ass spirit and really think that they already have a seat or, favor from the Lord just because they know they're an Israelite. No, it's more to it. Okay? Where's your fruit? Where's your works? Where's your sacrifice? Where's your dedication? Okay? So those that detox, examine themselves, is going to continue to evaluate themselves to make sure that they're in the faith, to make sure that they're not transgressing, to make sure that they're doing what is acceptable and pleasing to Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai. Okay? Because they have that fear, first and foremost, and that's the beginning of being accepted with Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai. They trust the Lord. They hope in the Lord. They believe in the Lord. Okay? 2 Corinthians 13, verse 5. Examine yourself. So examine yourselves daily. What are your weaknesses? What are your strengths? Where do you fall short? What do you need to improve on? What do you feel like that is not acceptable that the Lord is seeing that you're doing? What do you feel like that bothers you that you know that's not right? What do you feel like you need to do better in? Because we all can do more. And again, I say this whole lesson to me first and foremost before I say it to anybody. Examine yourselves, whether you be in the faith. Prove your own selves, because you'll prove yourself to a woman when you want to get that kitty cat. You'll prove yourself to your plantation general manager when you want to get that promotion or that raise. You'll prove yourself to this fucked up world, but yet you don't want to prove yourself to Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai to show forth why you should keep getting the increase, why you should keep getting favor, why you should keep being in this truth and guided and directed in righteousness. Know ye not your own selves, how that Yahweh Shah HaMashiach is in you, except ye be reprobates. So I don't want to write this out, man. I hope and I pray that this was edifying, uplifting, and informative to the true, sincere Aki and Akwaf. So with that, I'm just going to say, Call Layam La. Abba Nabu Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai Bahashim Rakak Kwadash Watha Wada Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai Bahashim Rakak Kwadash for putting the spirit on me, my elder apostles, elder bishops, elders, brothers on down, for doing these epistles to enlighten you, to inform you, to edify you, and uplift you through the power and spirit and words of Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai. May the blessing and election and protection be upon you and your household. Out of one Ratazah into the next one. And the picture was just for, to catch your eye, man. Shalom. Shabbat Shalom.